In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create text on a path. This path looks like the text is going in front of and behind the fingers, and then I also put text on a circle. So I'm going to start by activating the path, the pen tool to create the path. I'm going to click first, and now the second time I click it, I'm going to click and hold, and this is where I start to bend, make it look like it's going to go around. Click, hold, drag, click, hold, drag, and then one more will be right here. So after I've created my path with the pen tool, I'm going to go to the type tool, hotkey T. Now there are three ways you could designate the type to glue to or stick to the path: to the left, to the right, or to the center. I'm just going to click right on it. But if you notice, I'm hovering over just the sweatshirt here, the hoodie. There's it's a normal looking type icon. When I hover over the path that I created, there's a little squiggly line that is activated. So I'm going to click on it. You could type, or I actually just copied some words. I'm going to select all. I'm going to edit it as I can. I'm going to click on the color. I'm going to give it a white color. I'm going to say OK. So the quote goes in between the fingers. I'm going to execute it. That's actually pretty nice, a nice flowing text. But right now, I want to make it look like it's going behind and in front of the fingers. So what I'm going to have to do is rasterize the text. The text is a vector-based image. So in the layer panel, I'm going to click on the text, drag it and create new layer, and I'm actually going to turn off the copy that I just made. So on this layer, I have to go to Type, Rasterize Type Layer. Now I could erase it or layer mask it. So now what I could do is activate the layer mask, and I'm going to go to the pen tool, the brush tool, which is B, and now I'm simply going to use foreground, background color, black and white to reveal and conceal, and I'm just going to make it look like it goes in front of and behind the text as it swoops in and out of the fingers. The second option, what you could do is just simply use a shape tool. I'm going to go elliptical. I'm going to make a nice little circle. The circle comes in as its own layer, but now when I click on the type tool, you can see the icon is same as previously mentioned, but when I hover over it, the little squiggly line gets added. So I click on it, I'm going to paste again, and it's going to go around the entire circle. Once again, I could select it all. I could make it larger, smaller. I'm going to go font size 16. But as you can see, I cut off the last of the author's name. So I'm going to make this a little smaller. Once again, I'm going to select that. Let's go 10. And I'm going to erase that. And now I'm done. But you have this black circle here. All you have to do is go to the layer panel and turn off the shape that you created. So this is how you put text on a path.